Hello students. Today we will discuss class 9th Beehive Poetry chapter 1st The Road Not Taken. The poem is written by Robert Frost. Now before starting with the poem, I will give you introduction of Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born 1874. He was a well-known American poet. He was born in San Francisco. He belongs to the 20th century. He was known for its scientific and technological revolutions. It is mostly an indirect way of expression through symbols and images. Robert Frost is different from other modern poets. He is modern in the spirit and traditional in the style of his poetry. The poem, The Road Not Taken, is based on a very common experience. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost presents a simple situation. One day, the poet traveling all alone. The poet reached a point where the road diverges into two. He faces a dilemma as to which road to take to continue his journey. He is unable to decide which road to follow. He stands there for a long time. The poet Robert Frost gives us a careful thoughts. Then he decides to choose the road which seems to be less traveled. He feels it will make all the difference to his future life. He decides to save the other road for another day. He knows that he will not get a chance to go back to it. Later, he might wish he had taken the other road. The feeling in his mind is that of sorrow and sadness. The poet feels that after ages from now, he would be telling about his decision with a sigh. He would tell how he took the less frequented road, and that had made all the difference in his life. The poet has presented the difficulty of making a choice in life. We cannot travel all the roads available to us. We have to make a choice is the dilemma that we all face at some point in our life. We have to make decisions. Only the future reveals whether the decisions we took was right or wrong. Having taken a decision, we go on in life. We cannot come back to revert our decision. Decisions are like the steps that carry us forward. We can only look back and repent at our decisions. A decision once taken cannot be undone. The poem conveys a meaningful message. It presents a dilemma of a man in a particular situation. The diverse of roads signifies life, offering two different choices. It gives the message that man should make a choice at an important occasion of his life. Thanks. Have a nice day. Hello, students.